Hi, this is Krishna Merchant and thank you for joining us for the market roundup. The Indian markets were up 2% today. They rebound after the sharp fall yesterday, tracking gains in the rupee and also buying in some of the blue chip shares. The Sensex was up 2% to 18,568 and the Nifty closed at 5,448. The rupee recovered from the day's low and closed at around 67.1 against the dollar. There was some speculation in the market that Reserve Bank of India may have sold dollars to shore up the rupee. Also today, Raghuram Rajan took over as the RBI governor as Subbarao ended his 5-year term. We need to see what kind of policy statement he comes out with during the RBI policy on September 20th. Among individual stocks, some of the beaten down shares were up today. Reliance Industries gained 2% and Tata Motors was up around 5%. ITC was the top loser on the Sensex. In fact, it was the only loser, down around 1%. BSE IT index was up 2%. Some of the stocks touched an all-time high, such as TCS. It ended up around 3%, and Infosys was up 2%. IT stocks are gaining on back of rupee depreciation and also improving outlook in the US and Europe. Among other stocks, Jet Airways was up 6% as the cabinet today approved the quadrupling of seats between India and Abu Dhabi in the next between India and United Arab Emirates in the next 3 years. Ipca Laboratories was also up. It gained around 8% after the company said that US FDA has found the facility at Pithampur acceptable. Ranbaxy was up 8%. It has been gaining in the last few days on back of improving outlook on the sales front. Among individual stocks, capital goods stocks also saw some buying interest. JP Associates and BHEL, they were both up around 6% each. Realty shares were trading lower today after the RBI directive yesterday that the loans to the real estate sector should be given on the basis or the stages of construction. Some of the stocks such as Soba Developers plunged 6%, DLF was down 1%. From the broader markets, both the mid-cap and the small-cap indices were up around 1% each. Analysts said that geopolitical movement in the Middle East over Syria and also crude oil prices will be tracked very closely by the markets. That is all for today. Do stay tuned with livemint.com for more updates.